Alright, so this is the wall I got to destroy right here. So, here are my tools. My little mallet, hammer, chisel is right here. So, my husband doesn't want me to go too far into the wall. He just wants me to take down this plaster right here. So, this is a big wall. I don't know how long it's going to take. Probably not going to finish it all today. However, I did say that I didn't have a problem helping them out. So that's what I'm going to do. And we'll see how it goes. Ugh.